Selling index multi-spindle machines is complicated, and we get objections from the market. And one of the big objections that we have is, why should I spend £1 million on your multi-spindle machine when I can spend the same amount of money and buy 5 sliding heads or 5 single spindle machines, and if one of them breaks down, I've still got 80% of my capacity available to me? Well, I have to be honest, that is wrong-headed thinking. And I try to think of an analogy that explains the position. Obviously, we are building CNC machines. We've built many thousand CNC multi-spindle machines that are active in the market, that operate at an uptime that is measured in the high 90%. But hypothetically, imagine the situation back in the 20s or the 30s when the keen salesman for Bedford Truck Company was talking to the Royal Mail about replacing his 2 horses, Fred and Ginger, that were used to deliver the mail, and argued that I've got 20 horsepower in my truck as opposed to 2 horsepower on your wagon. And the wizened old buyer says, but when my horse throws a shoe, I've still got 1 horse to deliver. But when your truck breaks down, I've got nothing. Well, that's exactly the wrong-headed thinking that we see time and time again when people talk about index multi-spindles. These are very sophisticated machines that are built to an enormously high standard and will run at an uptime rate that is measured in the high 90%. So it's not an argument, it's not even a discussion.